Hi, my name is Roelf Rosema from Rosema Bricks. I'm the factory engineer here at our Olifantsfontein plant, and we manufacture clay face bricks. We started looking at solar because of our high electricity costs. We wanted to reduce our monthly expenses and fixed costs, and we turned to solar as a solution to reduce costs. So we started off this journey with an engineering consulting company called BB Energy. They actually did a plant study for us to make everything efficient and remove all the redundancies before we went to the solar route. We put out a tender with BB Energy helping us, and through that process we selected SolarAfrica. I think the biggest fear we had was the unknown. We are not experts in that field. We don't know enough to make an informed, reliable decision. The peace of mind that we got through using our independent engineering consultants, BB Energy and SolarAfrica's engineering team, they both agreed on a solution for us, and I think that gave us peace of mind that two experts in the field came with the same answer. SolarAfrica were very professional throughout the project. When there were issues that arose, they were dealt with efficiently. Nothing was overlooked. There was always plan B when plan A didn't work. We commit ourselves to a greener brick as our association's motto. We are green and efficient in the clay brick industry, versus the alternative building products. From Rosema's side, this is just a small commitment to going greener and reducing the carbon footprint that industry creates.